we took advantage of a nice little rainy day and went to the Rooms Museum, which is pretty cool because it's talking about the history of Newfoundland and Labrador and talks about all the animals and nature that's here as well as the culture.
It's everything that you would want in one museum. So It's the art, the history, the culture, the animals that you can only see on this island. So everything that this island from like the 1800s when they were migrating from Ireland all the way back to the Inuits.
So it's an incredible time. It's 4 stories and they have a really great cafe too. So when you first come in, you're going to pay for the admission. And in order to know that you are a guest here at the museum, they're going to give you a little tab.
It's this like little metal thing, and it was straight when I got it, and then you just bend it over your shirt.
So she's wearing one. I have one on my neck. Everybody's wearing one around, but it's just so that the security guards can determine that you're a guest here.
It is $2 an hour to park here at the museum. So sometimes he gets really into something, and I have to remind him, that's another toonie. Let's go.
Every hour is a tune.
No, some people just take a little longer, and it's like, okay, time to move on.
these exhibits are incredible. We started up on the 4th floor, so when we were there, I was talking about the culture, and it felt like you were walking into somebody's home for each exhibit. But now we're in the area that focuses on their army and their soldiers and what they contributed to, well, what I'm in right now is World War I, and it's in the trenches, and you feel like you're just involved into it. And in the background, they have just gun noises going off. It's very, very immersive. Well, since we've officially lived in Newfoundland for over a month, I've been drafted into the Newfoundland Army. So I just got my gear today, and I just met my pals. Hey guys. Yeah, they're.
Platoon 6.
I'm platoon 6, so write me letters. I'd love to hear from you guys. So you do have to pay $2 an hour to do parking. So if that deters you, I just want to let you know, just to keep people in the loop. But it's not too bad, because you can probably get through this in about a good hour and a half, 2 hours if you don't eat. Just charged me only $3 Canadian, so